Hello friends, today we will start a new subject, that is electrical machine. It is one of the main subject of GATE syllabus. So note down the syllabus for electric machine. Electric machines. Syllabus for GATE single phase transformer, equivalent circuit, phasor diagram, tests, regulation, and efficiency. This comes under transformer. Transformer also contains the three phase of, we having single phase. Now we will study the three phase as well in GATE syllabus, that is three phase transformer. Transformers connection, parallel operation, of three phase transformer, these are the topic that is being contained in transformer topic. Now other topic is energy conversion principle. Energy conversion principle. This is second topic. First, second, third is DC machine. In that, what do we study? That is types of DC machines, windings, lap and wave windings, as you have studied in BTech, generator characteristics, armature reaction, and commutation, starting and speed control of motors. Of motors. So these are the topics that is in DC machine. That is part third. and then induction motor. Part 4. In which we have to study three-phase induction motor, its principles, types, performance of induction motor, characteristics of induction motors, starting and speed control. This is about for three phase. Now we will continue in this induction motor for single phase. Single phase induction motor, I am writing in a short form, induction motor, and then this is for single phase motor. We have to study all of these things that we have studied for three phase as well. Now fourth part, this is fourth part. Fifth part is synchronous machines.